Hey, what's up, hustlers? Imagine turning your love for dogs into $3,000 in just 8 days. Sounds crazy. It's not. I'm talking about real money, straight to your pocket, just from posting dog videos. You see that cute doggo video with millions of views? That could be you racking in the big bucks. Today, I'm breaking down how I used AI to create viral dog reels on Facebook and turned those views into cold, hard cash. We're talking game-changing AI tools that make creating awesome dog content easier than ever. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment or prior experience, just some smart strategies and a whole lot of hustle. So are you ready to unleash the earning potential of dog videos? Let's dive in. Alright guys, let's talk about why dog videos are a goldmine waiting to be tapped. First off, everyone loves dogs, right? They're cute, they're funny, and they make us feel good. That translates into big views on social media. Facebook, especially, is a dog lover's paradise. People can't get enough of those furry faces, and the algorithm knows it. That's where the opportunity comes in. Facebook's algorithm is designed to push engaging content, and nothing gets people clicking, liking, and sharing like adorable dog videos. But here's the secret sauce: AI. We're not just talking about cute dog videos here, we're talking about AI-powered content that's engineered to go viral. Think about it. AI can help you create eye-catching edits, add trending music, and even generate those hilarious captions that make people stop scrolling. It's like having a personal video editor working overtime 24/7 to make your dog the next viral sensation. And once you've got those views rolling in, that's when the real magic happens. We're talking about monetization, baby. Facebook's Reels Play bonus program rewards creators for those viral hits. Plus, you can leverage affiliate links, brand partnerships, and even sell your own merchandise. The potential here is huge, and it's all within your reach. So are you ready to turn those doggo videos into a serious income stream? Let's get into the nitty-gritty of making it happen. Now let's get down to the fun part, creating those viral dog videos. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz or a professional video editor. With the power of AI, anyone can create scroll-stopping content. First up, we've got Runway ML, your new secret weapon for mind-blowing video editing. This AI-powered tool lets you do things you wouldn't believe, like swapping backgrounds, adding crazy effects, and even creating those animated dog videos that are taking the internet by storm. Next, we've got Canva, the design platform that's as user-friendly as a golden retriever puppy. Canva has a ton of templates specifically designed for creating eye-catching Facebook reels. Just drag, drop, and boom. You've got a professional-looking video ready to go viral. But wait, there's more. AI can also help you write those attention-grabbing captions that make people stop scrolling and hit that like button. Tools like Copy.ai can analyze what's trending and generate captions that are funny, relatable, and guaranteed to boost engagement. And here's the best part. These AI tools are incredibly easy to use. We're talking drag-and-drop interfaces, intuitive controls, and tons of tutorials available online. You'll be creating viral dog content in no time, even if you've never edited a video in your life. Okay. You've got your AI-powered dog videos ready to go. Now let's talk about getting them seen by millions. That's where understanding Facebook's algorithm comes in. Think of it like a game. Once you know the rules, you can win every time. First and foremost, consistency is key. The algorithm loves to see creators posting regularly, so aim for at least once a day, if not more. The more you post, the more chances you have to go viral. Next, pay attention to your video length. Facebook Reels are all about those short, snappy videos that capture attention instantly. Keep it under 60 seconds, and even better, aim for that sweet spot of 15 to 30 seconds. Now let's talk about hashtags. Hashtags are like keywords that help people find your content. Use a mix of popular dog-related hashtags like #DogsOfFacebook, #CuteDogs, #DogLife, and some niche hashtags that are relevant to your specific video. Engagement is another crucial factor. Respond to comments, answer questions, and even run polls or contests to keep your audience engaged. The more interaction your videos get, the more Facebook will push them out to a wider audience. And here's a pro tip: jump on trends. If there's a viral sound or challenge going around, put your own dog-tastic spin on it. The algorithm loves to see creators hopping on trends, and it's a surefire way to boost your visibility. Chapter 4. Step 3. Monetize like a pro. Turn those doggo views into dollar bills. Alright, you've got the views, you've cracked the algorithm. Now it's time to turn those eyeballs into cold hard cash. Monetizing your dog videos is easier than you think, and there are multiple ways to do it. First up, we've got Facebook's Reels Play Bonus program. This program rewards creators for generating views and engagement on their reels. The more views you get, the more money you make. It's that simple. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Find products that you love and that are relevant to your audience, like dog food, toys, or accessories. Sign up for an affiliate program, and you'll get a unique link to share in your video descriptions. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Brand partnerships are another fantastic way to monetize. As your channel grows, reach out to brands in the pet industry and offer to promote their products in your videos. You can do sponsored posts, product reviews, or even create exclusive discount codes for your followers. And if you're feeling really ambitious, why not create your own merchandise? Design cute t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases featuring your furry friend and sell them directly to your loyal followers. Remember, the key to successful monetization is to be authentic and only promote products or brands that you genuinely believe in. Your audience can spot a fake from a mile away, so keep it real, keep it relatable, and watch the money roll in. Chapter 5. Case Study. Sarah's $3,000 win from dog mom to dog-powered entrepreneur. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but can I actually make money doing this? Absolutely. Don't just take my word for it. Let me introduce you to Sarah, an everyday dog mom who turned her love for her furry friend into a thriving online business. Sarah started with nothing but a smartphone and a whole lot of love for her golden retriever, Buddy. She started filming Buddy's antics, using AI tools to create hilarious videos, and consistently posting them on Facebook. She focused on creating engaging content, using trending sounds and challenges, and interacting with her growing audience. Within a few months, her videos started gaining traction. Her follower count skyrocketed, and her views were off the charts. Sarah joined the Facebook Reels Play Bonus program and started earning money from her videos. She partnered with pet brands she loved, promoting their products to her engaged audience. And she even launched her own line of Buddy-inspired merchandise, which sold like hotcakes. Within 8 months, Sarah had made over $3,000, all thanks to her adorable dog and some smart online strategies. Sarah's story is a testament to the fact that anyone can do this. You don't need to be a tech expert or a marketing guru. You just need passion, consistency, and the willingness to put in the work. Chapter 6. Your action plan from $0 to $3,000 in 8 days. Let's do this. Alright, are you ready to turn your dog into the next viral sensation and rake in that sweet, sweet cash? Here's your action plan to make it happen. Step 1. Download those AI tools. Runway ML and Canva are your new best friends. Don't be intimidated. They're surprisingly easy to use even for beginners. There are tons of tutorials online to help you get started. Step 2. Start filming. Capture your dog's everyday antics, their cute quirks, their hilarious fails, anything that will make people smile. The more footage you have, the more creative you can get with your edits. Step 3. Edit like a pro without being a pro. Use Runway ML to add those eye-catching effects, swap backgrounds, and create those scroll-stopping transitions. Canva is your go-to for adding text, music, and creating those professional-looking thumbnails. Step 4. Optimize for Facebook. Keep your videos short and sweet. Use relevant hashtags and post consistently. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and jump on trends to boost your visibility. Step 5. Monetize, monetize, monetize. Sign up for the Reels Play Bonus program. Explore affiliate marketing opportunities, reach out to brands for partnerships, and consider launching your own merch. Remember, consistency is key. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep creating, keep posting, and keep engaging with your audience. The more you put yourself out there, the faster you'll see those views, followers, and dollars rolling in. Chapter 7. Call to Action. Join the dog-powered revolution. So, what are you waiting for? The world needs more cute dog videos, and your bank account needs more zeros. It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and turn your love for dogs into a money-making machine. Outro, you got this. If Sarah can do it, so can you. Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment Dog Cash below. I'll DM you my free viral dog reels toolkit. Let's hit $3,000 together. Next video, how I made $10,000 with AI cat memes. See you there.